guys, and welcome to the Hophead's house. The first puppy that you will ever see is Humphrey as soon as we open the door because he is always here to guard us. This is Putsy. She's staying with us. She's our neighbor's dog. She's very cute. Come on in. Today I'm going to give you guys a tour of my entryway and my living room because they are finally done. So as soon as you walk in, this is what you see. This mirror is from Restoration Hardware. I recently bought it. I had my eyes on it forever. And I want to say it is about 12 feet tall and weighs 116 pounds. So putting it on the wall was quite a feat. Right, Rami? What do you think?
Very difficult. Very difficult,
but we got it on somehow. I think we had to put 12 bolts into the wall. Right here is a sign by BXX Light that says, "Welcome to the Hophead's house." And I like that you can just change out the letters as you please, but I wanted to just say welcome to the Hophead's house, and I think this is permanently just going to stay here. These prints are from an artist called Josh Young, and I really love the fact that he mixes traditional and modern together. So if you look closely, you can see how there are modern figures drawn over really old books. And it's also in line with the colors of my home, which are black, white, and then tans and browns. So I really, really love that. These are actually all sold in a set, and my vision was just to put them on either side of the mirror. And then when you walk in, this is the heart of our home. We pretty much live on this side of the house because the other side of the house, as you saw a little bit, is not complete. Everybody comes here, just sits here, we entertain here. I love this area and I love the way it turned out. So this media console, I first got one that was a little bit shorter from Restoration Hardware, but because this wall is so long, I decided to get this one. It is from the RH Modern collection, and it is 100 inches wide. And then Rami really wanted to get a Sonos speaker for our Christmas party, which is so nice because this is a wireless surround sound, and it's so nice to have. The quality is amazing. The accessories over here, I kind of started out with black and white and decided I wanted to just keep it that way, which is how the house kind of turned out, and I love it. I am a huge modern art person and I love a lot of modern pieces in my home, so this is just a collection of different things. So let's start over here. These candle holders are Crate & Barrel. I think I got them around the holiday time, which is why they have those the gold on the bottom. And then these two are from CB2. Love their sculptures. This little guy we got from Athens when we went to Greece one time. So he fits perfectly in our home. I'm also starting to collect coffee table books. So this one is a Toshan book, very beautifully made, about Muhammad Ali. The imagery in this book is beautiful. If you have a dad or a brother or a boyfriend or a husband or even a friend who loves sports, I think this is a really beautiful gift to give to someone. It's really well compiled and just it's beautiful inside. And then this is a little pottery thing that I got from Santa Fe in one of the markets, and I really loved how it was very modern and it's not a traditional type of pottery that they usually make.
We try really hard when we go on different trips to collect an art piece from that locale.
Yes, and something very unique. And then these guys here, these are our favorites. These are actually cake toppers from our wedding cake. So that's Rami, that's Humphrey right here.
Little Humphrey.
Little Humphrey. And that's me. And this little dish is from CB2 again. Another sculpture by CB2. I love this. One of my favorite books from college. I was a philosophy major in college. The Myth of Sisyphus. Humans of New York. Another great coffee table book. And Banksy, because Rami and I are both obsessed with him.
One fun fact I learned about Banksy is nobody's ever seen him before.
This is from Crate & Barrel. This lady, I think we named her Helen, is from CB2. So whatever I can find links for, I will definitely link for you guys. And put them all in the description box below. This art piece is by a company called ARTFULLY walls, and they source from different artists, so they're not very generic prints, and every artist has their own print. So you should definitely check out ARTFULLY walls if you're looking for different prints for your home. And then directly opposite the media cabinet is our sectional. I took the longest time trying to find a sectional, you guys, because I was looking for one from Restoration Hardware, which is like the Cloud collection, and it is so ridiculously expensive. I was just hell-bent on finding something that would be similar but for a fraction of the price. And I actually found one at Crate & Barrel, and this is a Lotus sectional. And yes, it is a white couch, but we opted to get a kid and pet friendly material, so this is gonna last us for a long time once we have kids, but this is really great for even Humphrey. Our nieces and nephews have come over, they spilled cupcakes on this. I spilled an acai bowl on this one time and it comes right off, so really love the material. It's one of their performance fabrics. This lamp is from West Elm. I was so happy when I found it because I was really looking for a modern piece, because that mirror over there, if you see, is very traditional looking, and it's from Anthropology. So I wanted my home to be a mix of old and new. One of my friends, she has a company called House of Cali, and she actually takes prints from famous artists and embroiders them on the pillows. And it's such a great way to find unique pillows. These ones are Picasso, so you can see right here, and then it's black and white striped at the back.
Oh, it's your go-to color scheme.
I know, it's so pretty. So it's perfect for having. These pillows are from Restoration Hardware, just the linen collection. These two are Restoration Hardware as well.
Very comfy pillows and very comfy couch.
Very comfortable couch.
Been very impressed.
Yes, everybody says how comfortable this couch is. And you can sleep on it. It's just really nice to have. This little coffee table thing is vintage. I found it at a store in Houston. And it fits perfectly in here because we don't really have so much space, so that's great. We put our iPad and our TV remotes here for streaming. And over here is a coffee table from Restoration Hardware. I love this coffee table and I think it fits so perfectly in here. And I love the mirrored detailing. And then this vase is from Pottery Barn. I recently got it. I think it looks so pretty with the room. Pampas grass is from Amazon. I will link it below, like I said. And then these candle holders are CB2 as well. One
disclaimer about the coffee table is the edges are pretty sharp.
Yeah, so probably not the most kid-friendly, but...
It's okay, it's beautiful though.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I have a thing with rugs. I feel like I always have to find the perfect one, and after a lot of trial and error, I found this one from West Elm, and I really love it. Again, going in theme with blacks and creams, tans, whites. It's perfect for this space.
She's telling you the truth. She's returned at least 5 rugs since we moved in here.
No, 6.
6?
Yeah, and then Humphrey's bed is always there on the side.
Hey, Humphrey. Say hi, Humphrey.
Say hello, YouTube. That concludes my living room and entry tour. I really hope you enjoyed it. There's going to be a lot more home decoration and home organization videos up on this channel. As I tackle each room in the house, I promise to give you a full tour. I believe next I am tackling my kitchen. It's more or less done, but I'm hunting for the perfect bar stools, which I might have finally found after being in this house for over a year. And I'm actually looking for another light fixture for on top of my kitchen island. So once those two are done, I'll do a kitchen and dining room tour next. And then after that, I'm planning on tackling my bedroom finally. So I'm so excited that you guys are on this journey with me. Interior design is a huge passion of mine. I haven't hired any interior designers to do this. It's sort of just come together with, you know, taking the time and collecting piece by piece, and I think that's what really brings a home together. So I can't wait to show you guys what's next for the Hafez home. Thank you so much to you guys for watching my videos. It truly means the world that you take the time out to do so. And as a special thank you, I wanted to give you guys a $100 gift card to CB2. It's my favorite retailer for shopping home accessories that are modern and unique. And I hope you got some inspiration from my home, and I can't wait to see what you get with the gift card. Rules will be listed down below, including all the details of when it will end. This is a US only giveaway. Good luck, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.